Hi, I'm Courtney with the Leta Automotive Group, and I'm here with Jerry, one of our technicians who is inside this 2018 Honda Accord. He's going to show us how to reset the oil life on the Accord.
Mainly, what we do is we start from the home screen, and I'll tell you, mainly most people, the only reason I can think of is if they change their own oil, they may want to reset this. At the dealer, we normally do that when we do the oil change. That'll be reset for you. And mainly from the main screen, you press settings. You go to vehicle, because this is a vehicle operation, it has to do with the oil. We'll press the down arrow here, maintenance info. Now this is a new car, it's at 100%, but yours will be, somewhat less than that. And so already we have engine oil is highlighted here. And then all we have to do is press select reset items. And then this will go from whatever it was before, say at 25% to the 100%. And that pretty much concludes resetting the oil life.
And that is how you reset the oil life on the 2018 Honda Accord.